Hey everybody. So I was requested to do a video to help out with some of the problems that word on the answer key. So this is how you would do number 4. When you see that word represents, that means you found your scale. Since it said represents with the 10 inches and the 15 feet, that's my first fraction. Every single problem, you're just trying to make two fractions. How can you make two fractions? The first fraction is going to be the easiest. Find that word represents, and that's the scale. I put the inches because that's how big you would draw something. You would draw it in inches. I put the scale size over the actual size. The actual size was 15 feet. Then all you have to do for your second fraction is look for the other piece of information. What was the other number in the problem? It was 1/10 inches. So that's why labeling is so helpful. Since I labeled the 10 inches right here, then I know inches goes to inches and feet goes to feet. Since my first fraction was inches over feet, my second fraction is going to be inches over feet. So since the 1/10 was inches, you put inches in the same spot and you get 1/10 inches. Now, what do I put down here? I don't know. I don't know the actual size. So I'm going to put my variable there, and then it's just cross multiplying. 10 times x, 15 times 1/10. Here's the work for that. 10x equals 1.5. Divide both sides by 10 to isolate the variable and balance the equation. And you get x equals 0.15 feet. Make sure you label your answer in feet or inches, whatever the label is. Let's take a look at number 5. Right off the bat, number 5 says if 1 inch represents 65 miles. So boom, I'm stopping right there. That's my scale. I have it. 1 inch represents 65 miles. So that's the first fraction. Now we're trying to figure out the second fraction. Even before I look at the rest of the problem, what's something that I know? Magic. I know that I need to line up my labels. If I write inches over miles for the first fraction, I need to write inches over miles for the second fraction. Inches is my numerator, miles is my denominator. Now when I look at that second sentence, the 2,300 was miles. It clearly said miles. So I put the 2,000 in front of the label miles. So that means, what's going to be my numerator? The variable. Now it's a proportion problem. We're going to cross multiply. And these are the steps. 65 times x equals 1 times 2,300. I cross multiplied. 65 times x equals 2,300. Divide both sides by 65 and you'll get x equals 35.4 inches. If you have any other questions, let me know. Good luck, everybody.